In order to get Telegram to work on an iOS device, iPhones, you have to go to web.telegram.org and sign in that way first, okay? Because you have to disable sensitive content filtering in the settings. Once you disable sensitive content filtering in the settings, you will then be able to view Telegram on the Telegram app that's been downloaded from the Apple iStore, whatever you call it, okay? So I'm going to type in the rest of my number. I'm going to log in. I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to disable sensitive content filtering. I'm going to then go back to my Telegram app, and I will then be able to view my porn channels, okay? Apple iPhones are super strict. They try and control what you can and cannot view. They don't like porn. I've got the Telegram app on this side, and then I've got my Firefox browser over here. This is done. Okay, so I'm gonna now I'm in the web browser. I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna go to settings, privacy and security. You want to set who can see my phone number to nobody. And then you want to just have a look at your privacy settings through here, go through there. Go down, and then this would normally be unticked. I don't know if you can see the tick because of the brightness, but yeah. And there you have it, guys. This is on my iPhone, okay?
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Jazz.
Jazz.
That's sweet.
Jazz.
Jazzy.
Jazz is a very naughty girl.
So I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to scroll up or down because then this video is going to become R18 because of everything that I've got in this channel. But you guys want to get onto my Telegram. You want to get onto this samples channel because in here, there's basically no rules. It's not like Pornhub. It's not like OnlyFans. It's not like Fansly, especially not like OnlyFans, where they can tell you what you can and cannot upload. Okay, in here, there's no rules. I do whatever the fuck I want, and I've never had an issue with this platform yet.